Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to be making a shakshuka, but we're going to be making a Mexican inspired shakshuka. If it's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking or live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So we've already got some charcoal warming up our little mini kamado here. What we're going to do is put a 10-inch cast iron skillet on. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to let this warm up. Just going to move it around so it coats the bottom of the pan. And once it's warm, we're going to add 1 chopped onion. We're going to let this onion cook for about 2 minutes. We just want it to soften, we don't want it to take on any colour. I'm happy with that. To this, we're going to add 120 grams, that's 4 ounces of charred grilled peppers. These are just straight out of a jar. So this now we're going to have 5 grams, that's a quarter of an ounce of jalapeno peppers. These are also jarred. Combine all these in, and then we're going to cook this out for about another 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now we're going to add 1 tin of taco beans. A little bit of help to get them out. Next thing we're going to add is 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. And combine all these in. Then we're going to let this cook. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. So we've been cooking now for 10 minutes. Take the back of the spoon, or I'm just going to use this spatula. I'm just going to make a well actually in the sauce. I'm going to crack an egg in it, and we're going to cook the egg in the shakshuka. So that's 1 egg in. Make another well on the opposite side. We'll crack the second egg in. I'm just going to let these eggs cook. We're looking for a soft yolk on these eggs. So I'm not going to take these eggs all the way. I'm just going to take these off and set it aside. And while these eggs finish off cooking, I'm going to toast some tortillas. So I'm just going to put 2 tortillas on. Give them a flip. And these are now ready to serve with our shakshuka. So there we have it. Mexican inspired shakshuka with tortillas. Just going to garnish it with some chopped coriander, a good twist of salt and pepper, and it's ready to get in there and have a taste. You can see these eggs are nice and runny. You can really taste the flavours. Just taste a little bit of heat of chilli. And a nice crunch with the tortillas. Let's look at those eggs. You can follow Dutchy Cooking on all social media platforms, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.